Huge scandal rocking the news cycle today, and it has to do with higher education, right? So Donald Trump is not involved. Sort of refreshing.
Well, it looks like Felicity Huffman and Lori Loughlin are headed back to TV.
I'm so disappointed in you, Aunt Becky. I mean, I expected this from a desperate housewife, but you?
Lori Loughlin from Full House was also charged. She played Aunt Becky. There's a warrant for her arrest. They're saying this could be the Becky with the good hair Beyonce warned us about.
Looks like Aunt Becky could be going from Full House to the Big House.
The FBI was tipped off by the essay question on this year's Common Application. Reflect on an accomplishment that sparked personal growth and/or list your parents' credit card number. What prompted your choice? What is the 3-digit security code? Wow.
This story is so infuriating because rich kids should have to get into college the old-fashioned way, all right? By their parents donating a library.
Paying hundreds of thousands of dollars in bribes so your kids can get a diploma from an elite college. Sorry, I thought that was called tuition.
How the schools fell for these photoshops, I don't know. I mean, use your heads, people. That's not even the right size.
In fact, one applicant to Stanford claimed that he played shooting guard in Space Jam.